Hi y'all, Steph Layton here with another hands-on learning tip. And today I'm going to talk about the 8 parts of speech poster. This is just a regular piece of paper that we decided to turn into a grammar poster to help with the 8 parts of speech. Now if you don't know the 8 parts of speech, you can always go to YouTube to Google classical conversations 8 parts of speech. They have a little song that goes, I don't want to sing it, but it goes kind of something like this. So noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition, adjective. Woo! That's the song. Go ahead and write down the 8 parts of speech on one side of your poster. Then you're going to pick a topic or a thing. So we picked Artemis, the guinea pig, who is so beloved in our home. So noun is guinea pig. Pronoun is she. It's a girl. And verb is popcorn jump because Artemis does this crazy rodeo jump when she's excited. The adverb is quickly because she does it pretty fast. And our adjective is fuzzy. Now once you get towards the bottom, you're going to wonder about preposition. How does a guinea pig have a preposition? Well, she's in the cage. She sometimes runs around, that kind of stuff. So always pick the topic and then go through and then write those in. And you can go ahead and glitter glue and art it out and make it fun for your hands-on learner to just do something different than a daily gram every day that they absolutely deplore. Now my oldest, when he was younger, we did superheroes because Batman sure does amazing verbs and you can definitely describe him or the bad guys, whatever you pick. You can pick a toy, you can pick anything, just one thing, and then go ahead and make your poster. And there you have it, another hands-on learning tip. Thanks so much. Hey, subscribe to the channel so you can see more of them.